How to fix screen share audio on Google Meet. Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you how to fix screen share audio on Google Meet. To start, open meet.google.com in your internet browser and click on New Meeting and start an instant meeting. In this part of the tutorial, all you're going to do right now is wait for the meeting to load. Let's wait for it for a few seconds. Alright, now once the meeting has loaded, all you gotta do is follow the steps that I will do in your screens. Do the same thing as well. First, I'm going to hide my camera so that you could always focus on the tutorial itself. And then I'm going to click on Present Now and click on your entire screen. Once it prompts, click on the window you want to share and tap Share. Now the next step is to click on the three dots, and this time you will look for the gear icon that says Settings. Once you find it, all you're going to do right now is click on Settings. Now wait for the settings window to prompt and open in your screens. It'll take a while, and there it is. Right now, over at microphone, make sure you click on default, same as for speakers. Click on default as well. And that's it. Please leave a like, share, and comment. Hopefully you get some value in this one, and see you on the next video.